So, we're returning to Crypt Custodian. I'm not so sure if I'm saying it right, but yeah, I kind of forgot how to play the game already. Just a little bit, I'd say. This game is kind of interesting, I'd say. Yes, ma'am. What? What in the world? What's with the water, man? It's raining. Ah, wow. Interesting. No. Ah. So there's nothing there? Damn. Damn lies and deceit, man. What? Damn. Most of the time I'd say damn or man, due to the fact that I don't really know what to say. Or sometimes I'm kinda confused on things that I'm supposed to say. Or if I wanted to express myself, I don't really know how to express myself in a way that I don't rely on things like those kind of words. Of course, there are many words that are more interesting to say. What? And yes, sometimes I say what? Huh? Cause right now, I am also kind of lost for words, or let's say I'm struggling to say something that I feel. Or let's just say, not just feel, but at the same time it's more so, I wanted to express something, but I keep on saying those things instead. So I kinda suck on my own vocabularies. So yes, I have a very limited vocabulary, if that's how you say it. like... I wanna express myself more, but it's a lot more difficult for me to do so, in general. Why? Ah! That's right. I am a ninja. I am a ninja. Or you can just say Kunoichi. Or Shinobi. Shinobi. Ah, my god. Yes, ma'am. I don't really know what's the point of the rocks, honestly. All I know is that I'm collecting them for something, and I'm not so sure what is that something. I am not done exploring. Please calm down. Huh? What? So there is a way back? Down. Hey kid, welcome to the Sinner's Inn. How's it going? I mean, kind of bad actually. I just died and got sentenced to clean for all eternity. Haven't we all? Well, if it makes you feel better, it's actually not too bad here. If you ask me, us bad ghosts are more fun anyways. I'm Marla, by the way. I sell all sorts of things here, so whenever you collect enough garbage, make sure to stop back in here and buy something. Both special attacks and upgrades need to be equipped at safe shrines. There's one just outside. When you attack enemies, the vessel at the top left of your screen will fill up. When it is full, press to use your special attack. Remember to head to the nearest shrine to equip your new attack. You can teleport between shrines, so be sure to come back and visit whenever you've collected more garbage to spend. Creates a circle around you that hurts nearby enemies. Bouncer. The mouse. Sorry, bud. I can't let you in here. This area is for VIPs only! And I've never ever even seen you before. So you can't be that important. Right? Now scram! Ah! So I'm a quote-unquote bad ghost, I guess. After doing something so horrible that I didn't know. Oh no! Oh my god! Wait, so she wants to get elected? For what? Wait a minute, man. I wasn't ready. I was trying my best to left click, man. Oh, right. I forgot. I was confused. It's supposed to be right click. Each upgrade requires a specific number of points. You now have 5 upgrades. Fine. Fine, man. So, yeah. I sort of forgot something. Which was supposed to be this one. Yeah. Die? Or should I not? I'm not so sure, honestly. Maybe I'll hold on to the trash. I mean, like, worst case scenario, we die and we lose all the trash. I mean, that's the worst case scenario, at least for me. But I don't think we'll have to lose the trash bins. Hold on, guys. just like that, you know. I'd say the most inconvenient stuff, like yes sir, yes ma'am, like I'm doing something special, which is not. I'm not even doing anything right. I'm just saying something just to say something, I suppose. Like, it doesn't even make sense. So yes, whenever I say those kind of things, I'm probably like trying my best to express myself as much as I can. And of course, I am not so good with speaking at all. So like saying the bare minimum for me is already enough. At least that's in my head. But I don't know about how people perceive that. What? Huh? That man's curse. Enemies will create a dangerous blast upon death. Defeat 15 enemies to remove the curse. The reward is one of great point. Yeah, let's try it. Let's do it. Have you seen any of my children? Please free them from their vessels and I will reward you. Fine. I don't think I can go there. Not yet, I think. And I don't know what the vessels look like. What? What? Wait! Wait! Oh my god! I was holding my breath. man. So unfair. What the hell was that? Huh? There's 20 of those cats? What? How many times did you mate, huh? Jeez. Fine, there's one more. Yeah. Let's check with the curse thing. Is it here? I don't remember. Oh my god. 'Cause I'm lost without you. Nani kore? Protecting the trash, huh? The trash don't need protection. They don't need you, man. That's right. Huh? Man, that is tough, man. What is this? Discs to the Sanderson jukebox for a reward. Fine. I think the boxes were supposed to be like an easier instead. Hello. That wasn't very wise. Since we have enough, let's see this one first. We have fresh start, we have quick foot, but I think I would rather save up for like this one, because I do need an extra one. Although the other ones are nice as well, increases my movement speed and then the attack and all these things. But I think this one matters most for me, I'd say. This one is also nice, but I don't really rely on abilities a lot in games like these. But we can try, you know. Maybe we can go to this thing. So yes, there's a couple more things, or like a couple more areas that are locked or I haven't explored yet. Oh. So sad. No, we're not gonna make that jump, man. See that? Yeah, we can try and explore the other side. I'm pretty sure there is more to this area. I can't keep my feet up off the edge. I kinda like the little rush I get. Standing close to the edge, and you're driving me crazy. Hold on, let's leap into the earth. Kinda like the little rush I get. Wait, your words are like rotary. Do you grin inside? You're killing me. We'll struggle home after midnight. Sleep arms and you stare around. What in the world? I was just up in the rafters sweeping some grime. This old cavern is a shrine dedicated to Pearl, the most beautiful frog to ever live. Isn't that her? I'm a bit embarrassed to see it get so dirty, so I'm trying to clean this whole place up. Is my name Pluto? Pluto Nash? Oh, so are you a janitor too? No, I'm just a frog. But Kendra did sentence me to clean up the afterlife for all eternity. She sentences everyone to that same fate. Although most other ghosts just stop cleaning after a while. Well, anyways, my name is Bevel, and I'll be around here cleaning for a bit, so I'll see you around. No, you're not. Would it be nice if Bevel can join? Like a second player or something like that? Oh no! Wait a minute. Oh no, fine. What? Yeah? You like that? Huh? Makes attacks 30% stronger at low health. Upgrades can be equipped at safe shrines. Isn't that the same as the other one? Except that this one is on low health and the other one is like full health and stuff? What? What? Yeah, something ring a bell? Yeah, damn. Nugget. Yeah, damn chicken nugget. Oh no. I'm gonna die. Damn chicken nuggets, man. Ah, I get it. Yes, I know it now. Oh my god. sort of know it now. That's Pebble. It's a statue of Pearl and another frog. The other frog looks like Pebble. So, like, did the ghosts start disappearing from their existence or something like that? I'm a little confused at the same time because, like, Pebble is all blue, while Pluto is like, what? He is more, lively in terms of his color. I'm not so sure if I'm saying it the right way. I'm not so sure at all, so don't take my words for it. Yeah, there's something here, I'd say. Can't keep me away from those trash, man. Huh? That's right. What? What in the world? Damn. What? Fine. Yeah, I think I can get the extra life now. That's what I think, but I'm not so sure yet. Yeah. I think we can go to the other area now. Well, let's hope I don't die. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I need this one, please. Yeah, I need all the help I can get. I'd say, like right now. This one is fine. I mean, this is fine. But at the same time, it's not really that helpful. I think. But yeah, let's see first, alright? Well, I'll save it here and probably move on to another game. We're not done yet with the whole game. I'm trying my best to actually fit more categories for me to play. So it's just like one by one. I don't wanna do it all together and see how it goes. But yeah, I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!